One mistake, a wrong judgment, and you can easily lose your hard-earned money to scammers. We read about people falling into the trap of fraudsters online almost every day. So today, I'll be talking to you about the most prevalent online frauds in India so that you can safeguard your money without compromising on any online experience. These tips will help you stay vigilant and keep your money safe. Sadly, many scammers are targeting services and apps that you use the most, such as WhatsApp, Paytm, and Facebook. Let's go over each of these one by one. All of us use digital payment services to make online payments, and Paytm is among the most popular apps. However, miscreants are using a KYC scam to dupe Paytm users. Here is a word of caution. If you receive a message asking you to update your KYC, do not react immediately. There is a strong possibility that these could be fraudsters attempting to get your details, and in case you get a call and are asked to download an app, such as Quick Support or AnyDesk, to complete or renew your KYC, please do not do so. These apps could be used by fraudsters to take over your phone and Paytm account to steal your money. Also, don't get tricked by other dubious messages that claim to offer you cashbacks and rewards. It's not just about Paytm. Be careful even while using other digital payment services such as Google Pay or PhonePe. Also, never share your credit card or debit card details, your card CVV number, Paytm password or OTP with anyone or on any website shared with you on SMS. Frauds are also happening on Facebook. What is the modus operandi? A miscreant first clones a Facebook profile of someone you may know, a friend or a family member. He or she then approaches you using that fake profile on Messenger. It starts with greetings, and then money is demanded on some pretext or the other. While some people see it as a red flag and exercise good judgment, others fall prey to this tactic. If you happen to come across any such situation, call the person in question and cross-check before transferring any money. Other best practices that you can adopt is keep your friend list private and share photos only with friends. This will prevent fraudsters from impersonating accounts. Fraudsters are actually trying to exploit all possible platforms. An online marketplace, OLX, is another place for cyber criminals to cheat people. These criminals usually pose as armed forces or paramilitary personnel to dupe people who are looking to buy or sell items on OLX. Portraying themselves as a soldier in uniform helps them look more credible and makes it easier to earn trust. They usually show interest in the listed products and ask you to scan a QR code so that they can send you advance or a token amount. Do not scan such codes. I repeat, ignore such QR codes. You will not receive any money. Instead, money will be debited from your account. So be careful and don't become a victim of QR code scams. Let me tell you, when it comes to scams, even WhatsApp isn't safe. The State Bank of India recently warned its customers of frauds on WhatsApp. Bank customers were found to be informed about winning lottery and asked to contact an SBI number. It was a fake message that was being circulated. I advise, please refrain from reacting to such phony messages. This is just one example of WhatsApp frauds. I'm sure you may have heard of other similar scams on WhatsApp. Before I go, my suggestion to you is, please be careful online, especially when it involves money. No platform is foolproof. So cross-check when someone asks for money. Verify the credentials of the person. And most importantly, never share your card details, OTP password and UPI PIN with anyone. Stay safe. Stay smart.